Hey everyone, welcome back to Do More Review. Today, we've got something really exciting for you, an unboxing and detailed review of the Jordan for SB Pine Green. This sneaker is a masterpiece, blending the worlds of skateboarding and basketball, and we'll take you through every detail in this video. Let's dive in. Here they are, the Jordan for SB Pine Green, a result of the iconic collaboration between Nike SB and Jordan brand. This sneaker is all about versatility, designed to perform on both the court and the skate park. The upper is crafted from premium white leather, while the mudguard features a smooth neutral grey suede. This mix of materials makes the shoe feel luxurious and built to last. Check out this gum outsole. Nike went with a gum sole to give skateboarders extra grip and control. It's a smart choice for anyone who spends time on their board. These sneakers aren't just stylish, they're also incredibly comfortable. The padding around the ankle and tongue makes sure your feet are supported, whether you're walking around or pushing your limits on the court or in the park. Now, let me tell you where you can get these beauties. These Jordan for SB Pine Green sneakers come from rucykicks.com, a professional online seller with over 6 years of experience. They specialize in high-quality reproductions, offering the best prices with guaranteed quality. rucykicks.com, you can shop with confidence. They've built long-term relationships with top factories and distributors to provide customers with premium reproductions at unbeatable prices. And they've made it super easy to find what you need with their organized and user-friendly website. When it comes to payment, rucykicks.com has you covered. They accept major payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and Zelle, so you can choose the most convenient method for you. If you ever have any questions, their customer service is top-notch. You can reach them through WhatsApp, iMessage, or email for any inquiries or support. Their team is always ready to assist you. So, if you're looking to cop the Jordan for SB Pine Green or any other high-quality replicas, head over to rucykicks.com. These guys are pros in the game and offer nothing but the best. Make sure to check the link in the description for more details about the sneakers and to shop at rucykicks.com. Don't forget to follow them on Instagram rucykick for updates and promotions. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and unboxings. Stay tuned for more awesome sneaker content right here on Do More Review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.